Finlay 893 is the largest forward-facing heavy-duty screen. This highly versatile and aggressive machine can be used in a wide range of applications, from quarrying, mining and recycling. The unit features a large 6.1 by 1.83 metre screen box with a modular design that has been configured to receive a wide range of screening media to suit your application. The screen box has a variable angle and can be hydraulically raised 600mm or 24 inches for ease of media changeout. The 10 cubic metre hopper features a robust apron feeder with variable angle adjustment for crusher or direct feed. The hopper also has a wide opening onto the screen box for the even distribution of material, with class-leading discharge heights of the side conveyors that all hydraulically fold for transport.